Today isn't simply a change in venue for us. It's a return home. A return to our beginnings, to the place where our legislature first met in 1776, at the dawn of a new and uncertain democracy. Princeton has always had an important role in the state of New Jersey. It's the intersection of intellect and public service. And for generations, it has helped cultivate talents and ideas that strengthen our state and our nation, an enduring partnership for which we are deeply grateful. It is with that shared history in mind that being here today is particularly special.
The College of New Jersey, as we were called at our founding, was entirely housed within the walls of Nassau Hall. James Madison, often referred to as the father of the Constitution, lived and studied here. George Washington liberated Nassau Hall from the British during the Battle of Princeton, which is commemorated in this extraordinary painting that hangs in the hall. From June to November 1783, Princeton was the nation's capital and Nassau Hall the home of its government.
Thank you for letting us be in this magnificent space, in this incredibly special room. It has truly been a privilege. Thank you all very much.